Hello, I'm Dr. Surisha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see the different styles of leadership. Like in a series of videos, we'll try to understand how different leadership can be and how different approach the leaders can actually take, be it managing the employees or any other followers. Okay. According to Kurt Lewin, he was a psychologist and he proposed a few basic styles of leadership, and we'll see what they are in depth in series of videos. In this particular video, we'll see what authoritarian leadership is all about. Authoritarian leadership or autocratic leadership, where the leader is the ultimate boss. Okay, autocratic, he is the leader and he will take all the decisions, and the followers, they simply have to follow the decisions. Followers will not have any say in decision making process. Okay, these leaders, they have clear expectations of what's to be done, and also they give clear cut instructions on how the things are to be done. They know what is to expect, or they know what things are to be done, or what tasks are to be done, and they also give clear cut authoritative instructions to the followers about how they have to perform. So followers, they simply have to follow the instructions, that's all. Okay. Also, they are complete, they have complete command over the employees and control over the situation and the employees or the followers. Okay. I hesitate to say employees here because this style of authoritative or autocratic leadership we can hardly find anywhere in the corporate setting or in the business organizations, especially these days, because people these days, we are not ready to accept or take orders or take autocratic kind of a situation, kind of a leadership. Okay, but there are many autocratic leaders if you just refer to the history. Okay, famously Hitler. Okay, so that kind of a leadership. So I prefer using followers here, not employees. Okay, so autocratic leaders, they have complete command over the followers or over the situation, and they completely control the behavior of the followers. Okay, also there will be a clear cut difference or a division between the leader and the followers. Autocratic leaders can never treat their followers as someone at least near or close to them. Forget about treating them as equals. Okay, so they are they stand at the highest position and they view the followers as somewhere standing down the line. Okay, so there is a very clear cut division between the leader and the follower. Okay, also they completely make independent decisions. Autocratic leaders take completely independent decisions. They will never discuss anything with anybody. Okay, whatever they think is right, that is the decision they take without anyone's consultation, and they just expect the followers to follow the instructions, follow the decisions, that's it. Okay, so they automatically will be very less creative because it is only their point of view, it is only their mindset that is at work. They don't get opinions, they don't take opinions. Okay, they don't accept others' point of view. So there is a very less scope for being creative. Okay, also no feedback will be provided to the followers. Also the leader also, autocratic leaders, they don't take any feedback, they don't give any feedback. Okay, complete one-sided decision making and one-sided leadership. Okay, so it is very bossy, dictatorial and hostile kind of a leadership that which is this particular style. Okay, so this is especially in organizational setting, as I mentioned it, as I mentioned it earlier, this kind of autocratic leadership in an organizational setting is a big no. That is not going to work out. Okay, because employees are not like slaves. You cannot just treat them as slaves and take all the decisions one-sidedly, and you cannot expect them to follow your autocracy. Okay, that is not going to happen. But this kind of leadership in some situations might work out, like when there is very less time and when the situation is so so sudden kind of a situation, or when they don't have time to consult others, or when there is emergency that decision must be taken on the spot. Okay, maybe certain situations, such situations may work out when it comes to autocratic kind of a leadership. But it generates, or it creates a lot of hostile kind of an environment where people just take orders, and nobody likes that. Okay, but anyway, this is one kind of leadership. It is proposed actually for as a management style also, but practically speaking, that is not going to work out. Okay, but anyway, this is how autocratic leaders will behave like. Okay, thank you.